What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do something that I've been waiting to do for a long time, and I have no good answer for why. But this is what we're gonna do. I finally put the seat back in the car. As you know, I'm doing all these buttons and 2JZs in the car and all that stuff. We're gonna install the harness, and I'm gonna show you where and how. There are multiple ways you can install this, the back side of it, but since we have a harness bar, I'm going to use the harness bar and I'm gonna wrap around, and I'm gonna show you how to wrap this baby around here. The second option would be installing where the rear belts sit. So you see they're right in here, and as you see, I took him out of the way. So you just bolt him, bolt the new one where you took the old ones out of. You see there is two brackets here. If you have the clip-on, which is not my case, you can just clip in here and call it good. Or you can make something and plug in here. For us, we're gonna wrap in here. Let's do that right now. So first you need to be sure that you have the right belt and they are on the right position. So your seat should have the holes in here, and you put them in there. So as you see here, the name goes forward. This looks good that way, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. Oh, funny. It's almost the same. So I'm gonna put the ends together, and then I'll know where they go. So yeah, so now they're the same. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them go. Let's do it again. From the bottom, clip pointing up. Okay, I'm gonna go over the harness bar and going on my, I'm gonna call clip here. So I went under once, okay, there. Let's see if this is easier. Under once. Now I'm gonna go over and on top. So for most things like bags and stuff, this is enough, right? And it's loose and stuff, but this goes nowhere already. But for extra safety, you come back and go over and in the bottom. So some of them here is going to be hard to pull it out, but this one is not too bad. And we're good to roll. So ideally, I wouldn't do all of this before being sure that this is my size. So the size is correct and all that stuff. But I did it to show you. So I'm gonna make it tight. Over again. And then back in here. Since this is not too hard, it doesn't bother me to do it. There you go. So that's pretty much it. And then you roll this guy. So what people would do is either roll like this and put a zip tie in here somewhere, so this would stay right here and not bother anything. We're gonna do that at the end. So I just unbuckle everything, got the harness put in there, this here points down, dang and dang. So here technically I should just be able to push it and I'm good. So this feels great. Of course the bottom part is not tight yet, so we can't quite have a yeah, that's why they say the submarine, because it's all of this and this is empty. So if something happens, I might go down and slide down. I can totally feel it. But anyway, this part here feels great. Let me show you. Really move. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I think the height is great. Maybe I can pull up a tiny bit more, but I think if I pull too much, this is going to, this thing here goes out of the seat up, but it could be like a little bit here. So now for the two sides, we're gonna get and follow the same thing we did before, right? We're gonna get the thing here, get the adjuster, put the part you adjust to the top, and you're gonna get to the bottom of it. I'm going to put here on the seat. I was just playing around just to see if I could fix the anti-dive thing, but I'm gonna get this bolt here, which is the back part of the seat, and I'm gonna put it in there. Or I can take the harness bar out of here and put this thing where the harness bar is, which is where the seat belt was. So either way, it's gonna be a safe place. Those things here are made to support, to hold in a crash. So this here, of course, is going to be kind of the OEM where the seat comes from, so it would be easier. And this is where what we do to the outside side, and now the inside side, which is the side that has this little thing in here, we are going to put right in here. So this thing here is another thing that's made to hold, right? Because this is what holds your OEM seatbelt. So because I kept that, I have this thing here on my seat thingy. Let me get from the back. So there's my seat adapter here, and one side of the seat adapter has this little thing in here, and this is where I'm gonna put it. My case, I kept this here just in case I want to use the OEM seat belt, but you know, I can take that out of there. And this side here, as you see, doesn't have it, but this side here you have the wall, so the wall is where you're gonna put it. So we're gonna do that. The other side, same thing, it doesn't change. The wall goes one, and the other side is gonna have this thing here, which is actually on that little lip that goes in there. And I almost forgot to show you how it looks on the back. I just did like this and didn't put any zip ties yet, but you know, this is loose. I mean, it's not super tight, so I can move a little bit, but this is gonna definitely hold any impact. So yeah, I guess a little zip tie here won't hurt, here and here, and this is as clean as it gets. This and that. Check it out. And that's it, guys. So if I knew that was that easy, I would have done that a year ago. But basically, this is all tight. Yeah, the only thing is, before you sit on the seat, take this thing out of here. So you get in there, bottom one. The cool thing about this is it has the 5th thing in there, so I can always buy one more and just route to the bottom. So yeah, look at that. Get in the car, tighten a little more. Oh, I can barely move, so I can't reach the camera. This is awesome. I feel like I'm on a drift car. Oh, I am on a drift car. Anyways, yeah. So this got to spread out a little more on the back, but that's pretty much it. I can't get out of here. If you like this video, leave a little thumbs up. If you have a little comment to make, please do. I'll definitely read and answer. And don't forget to check out my store, www.carmodsgarage.com. And most important of all, don't forget to subscribe, because there is much more to come. And you know how it goes at the end of each video. I'll see you around.